Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trade breakdown. I'm going over my NU trade that I took yesterday and also my AU trade. This is how I scalped it. I'm about to show you guys exactly how I scalped it, how I framed it, and hopefully this will give you guys a little bit of sauce. So let's start off with, and I'm gonna clear this out. All right. Before I do that, I just wanted to say that I'm not a financial advisor. If you go smack an old lady for $10, that has nothing to do with me. That's your own financial decision. And yeah, we'll get right into the video. So, all right, let me go to the trade so that you guys can see that I actually took it. All right. So there's AU. That's the giveaway. All right, so right here, so boom, here's the entry right here. All right, NZDUSD, and then here's the chart. Okay, so that's that. All right, so this is how I framed it. Okay, so if you look at the weekly, right now we're inside of this weekly PD array. And shout out to my boy Christian, because I wouldn't have looked at NZD or even traded NZD if he didn't point this out right here. Alright, so NZD came back into this fair value gap with these two consecutive down candles, right? The weekly candle came down and we had another weekly candle pushing up, right there. Alright, so I'm expecting some type of bullishness to at least get back up into the premium of from this high to this low, right? That's what I'm looking for. So we have this weekly fair value gap rebalanced. We have a reaction based off of that, right? I know that I want to be a buyer up. Now I see that we're inside of this up candle right now, but I see this as a draw on liquidity, the high of that, based off of my context, right? Let's go down to the 4 hour real quick. All right, so right here, right, we have these lows taken out. We have a push up, we ran this high, we have a shift in delivery here. All right, we have a run down through that push that took out this right here. Okay, I want to be a buyer maybe later on for here, and get a nice swing off of there, but my trade was inside of this area right here. All right, let's go to the hourly. All right, now if it's expected for us to drop into this high, right, and I see right here price came and ran these lows right here, and then we had this displacement higher. Look at that move. I'm expecting some type of reaction inside of this range here. All right, so as you can see, we have this last down candle before the move right here. All right, when price came back down into this order block, right, I'm expecting some type of reaction. I don't expect it to just run the low that easily. It can, but I don't expect it to. But I'm waiting to see what price does once it comes back to this order block right here. All right, so inside of this order block, let's go to the 15-minute. Right here. All right, let's go to the 5-minute. All right, let's go to the 1-minute. So inside of the 1-minute time frame, all right, this is what you can see. You have these two rundowns right here, taking out these lows. Look at the aggressive run after that right there. All right, after that you have these two consecutive down candles right here. Okay, that is one full order block. You also have from this low to this high, you have OTE. Okay, so OTE is between the 62-79 inside of that range. All right, Here, let me mark this out because this is how you guys would see it. Stop hunt, break of structure right there. Okay, that's the BMS, and then we have the RTO right here. Okay, now before I took the entry, I wanted to see what price was doing inside of here. All right, I can see that it came into it, went up, broke above this high. I didn't really care about this order block. I cared more about this range. So even if it pushed out without me, that was cool. You feel me? If it went up, that's cool. But it came back down right here, created relative equal lows right here. So let's mark that out. Once that happened, I was looking for a purge and revert of the relative equal lows right inside of here. You could see it in like a 30-second time frame, 15-second. This is just me refining, you know, confirmation, getting extra confirmation. All right, once this happened here, right there, all right, and I seen price come up off of it right there. Here, let me show you. So right here, after price came up and it started having a displacement higher, I took my entry somewhere inside of here. Now, let me see. Yeah, so as it was pushing up, that's where I took my entry. So right there, okay, that was my entry. My stops were right below this swing right here, this swing low. All right, not below here, but below here. All right, you could put it below here to be aggressive, but I wanted to give it a little bit more room because it's already, you know, a 1 minute time frame. I'm not looking to get the ultra 1 pip stop loss refinement, you know what I mean? And then my target was a 1 to 3 risk reward, and it was above this high right here. All right, so boom, that was my target, 1 to 3.18. There we go. That was my target there. All right, so that was my target there. TP right there, and that's the trade. Very aggressive, going to the 1 minute time frame, but I have extra rules, you know, to let me know that I can scale down this far without, you know, feeling like it's gonna get ran out. You know, it's not too refined and not too, you know what I mean, too aggressive. So all right, so let's go to AUDUSD and go over that trade real quick. This is the trade that I took today. NZD I took yesterday. We can go to that real quick. All right, so let's clear this out a bit and get a little bit of context. Actually, let me remove all my drawings. All right, so with AU, right, let's start off with the daily. So AU is inside of this up candle, right? I'm bearish on AU. All right, but there, actually, let me do this. Let me not clear out everything because I had some important things noted. I don't want to re-note that. All right, so let's clear this out. Let's clear this out right here. All right, so boom. Okay, so on the daily, right, we have this up candle. I wanted to see AU potentially push up into this blue array and above this horizontal black line, but we're inside of this up candle, and when we're drawn lower, right, when we're drawn lower, if the drawn liquidity is bearish, if order flow is bearish, right, what should, you know, reject price? Up candle should, right? So since we're inside of there, all right, we're getting some reactions inside of here, right? It's a little you know, a little choppy. That's why I scalped it, you know what I mean? It's a little choppy. I'm expecting it to still drop here, but I still sold it. All right, now right here you have all this consolidation right here, and you have this last up candle right here. Yes, it's relative equal highs. It can be purged out, of course, right? But that wasn't my context for today, right? So we have this up candle right here. Up candle. Price came into that. I woke up during New York session. Let's go to New York. All right, so right here, right? So we came into here, right here. We ran out relative equal highs, stop hunt right here. There's the purge. This is what broke shift and delivery right here, broke structure, BMS, right? And then we have relative equal highs resting right here. We came back into a fair value gap to continue lower once we came back into there. But now, right, I'm not looking for this up candle to hold to continue down, right? I'm looking for that as a buy side liquidity, right? Inducement, right? Because of the relative equal highs now, right? So today we had a run during London, right? And then we had another run up right here. And I woke up during New York after we ran this high once again, right here. I woke up during New York and I seen this last up candle right here. And I wanted to see if I could frame a trade off of that, because we took out liquidity. We came into what, this 15-minute order block, last up candle right there. This 3 up candles right here is a full order block, but this is the premium of that whole order block. All right, that's why you had to sell off right here, because it came into this order block with a fair value gap. All right, so right here we came into the premium of the order block right there. And then once we did that, right, I wanted to see if I could frame a trade off this 15-minute up candle to see if we could attack these lows right here. And once this up candle started to get created right here and it started to get broken down, I wanted to see if I can frame a sell in this one to continue down and take out this low. All right, so let's go to the 5-minute. Here's the 5-minute time frame. All right, you can see that we had another run right there. Oh, we didn't come up to this last up candle. You don't have to, right? You don't have to. This is the 15-minute up candle right here. All right, here's the run. We ran out of high right here. Boom, just like that. Where's the X? Let me put the X on there. Boom, here's the X. All right, we ran that out right there. We broke lower, we broke below this low right here, creating 2 consecutive up candles, right? We have 1 up candle right here. Let's go to the 1-minute. All right, so boom. Okay, there's the 1-minute right here. All right, once this low is taken, this is our shift in delivery. All right, so let's go ahead and put this real quick, type that out. All right, this is our shift in delivery because we took out, this is the low that caused the push up, right, to run these highs, right? So once this is broken, that's our shift in delivery. All right, this right here, you see this 2 consecutive down moves and this move up right here. Once this is broken on a 30-second time frame, 15-second time frame, this would be a shift in delivery, this low right here. All right, so relative to the time frame, right, you have minor structures and you have major structures. But with how fractal the market is, a minor structure can be a major structure on a lower time frame, and a major structure can be a minor structure on a way higher time frame. Just like this on the 1-minute time frame, this could be a major structure relative to this 1-minute time frame. But when we go on a 5-minute and a 15-minute, right, this becomes a minor structure. Here, let's go to the 30-minute. Look, 1 hour, it becomes a minor structure, right, compared to this major structure on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so you gotta make sure you pay attention to that, and that's how you become a little bit more fluid with price action, because you understand how the fractal nature of it, right? All right, so let's go back to the 1-minute. After we ran out this low, our shift in delivery was there. What am I looking for after we run out this low? I'm looking for speed. All right, how fast did we get down there after we ran this higher? After we ran this high and started having a displacement lower, how fast did we get down here? Right, we got down here pretty fast compared to the move up. Right, we got down here pretty fast. That's what I like. Did we leave any fair value gaps? We have one here, and we have one right up here. All right, with this 2 consecutive up candles. All right, I took my trade off of this fair value gap right here. All right, so there's the fair value gap. That was my entry inside of here. So it looks something like this. Boom. All right, stops right above the order block, the high, and we aimed for a 1 to 2. All right, which was right below these lows right here. All right, that was the trade. The trade management, once we started coming lower and we like at least broke this low, I moved my stops to like halfway. After we broke this low, actually I moved my stops to like above this high right here. And then once we came a little bit lower, got closer to my TP, I just went ahead and moved my stops to break even. That way I don't lose anything, just in case I wanted to retrace back up. I didn't expect it to really retrace all the way back up, especially since we were like right at this low. I just wanted to see this fair value gap hold right here. So let me show you, which it did. All right, so that fair value gap right there, it held, rebalanced that fair value gap, and pushed lower. All right, that's all I wanted to see. But yeah, that's it with the trade breakdowns. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys didn't fall asleep. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, share the video if you want to, go ahead and comment on the video if you would like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, I'm out.